Oh my fucking god, Taeyeon. Both of them, but when she's doing those, I'm going back, I'm sorry.
I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I never meet the ground, grass through the surface.
Alright, so we might check out some more Girl Generation. This is a bit later in the day of the reaction that you probably saw already. And we want to check out Tiffany and Taeyeon, who sang a song called Lost in Love. Now, I don't know if this is a different Lost in Love, but I know one Lost in Love that is very old that I've just heard casually. When I looked up Lost in Love, I looked at it, then I didn't recognize the video. I played it, and I'm like, I've definitely heard this song before. It's one of those songs, you know, you've heard it before, maybe multiple times, but you just don't know it by name when it comes up as like the title of the song. So I don't know if this is it. The original is by Air Supply, I believe. Air Supply. So I don't know if that's the one they're singing, but I've gotten this suggested a lot of times, and like I told y'all in the reaction that you probably already seen already, I was going through comments of older videos and I found this song and I'm like, let me check out some more Girl Generation today. So let's check out Tiffany and Taeyeon, Lost in Love. Alright, Tiffany, Taeyeon, Lost in Love. And if I'm not mistaken, that's the sketchbook symbol. So this is from Sketchbook. It's just not uploaded to KBS. They look so pretty. Oh my gosh, she looks so pretty. Oh, it's not it. What is this? What song is this? Oh, look at Tiffany's hair. Oh my god, the way she did that, I want to go back. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, Taeyeon. Both of them, but when she's doing those, I'm going back, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Why do I feel tears? They sang that. They sang that way too beautifully, dude. It was like tears of excitement, not necessarily because like lyrically, like reading the lyrics, they like affected me personally, but sometimes people just sing, and when they open their mouths and let out those notes, it just gets to you, dude. It actually made me tear just like listening to them sing, dude. They sang that so, I don't know, it's like with so much passion, and then like looking at them sing it, just knowing it, like that was, oh, dude, they're absolutely incredible too. Obviously as a group as a whole, but like having like these duos like her and like them two together, and then I don't know, like either of them with like Sohyun, or it's like there's so many different combinations of Girl Generation you could just put together and you just do a nice beautiful cover. And these two, of all the two to put together to do a cover like this, to get you in your feels just listening to them sing, it's absolutely incredible. Yo, obviously I'm doing Take Me Back. This is an older performance, and I'm obviously focusing on like group performances, but at the same time not really. If there's like solo performances of like Taeyeon, Tiffany, whoever that are from the concert that I have not reacted to already, or maybe they're from like a music show, I can react to it. So if you want to suggest whether it be group stuff or solo performances like this or other units, let me know, because I love stuff like this. Powerful singers always get me every single time. Powerful, amazing singers.
미안하다는 말이